Meaning of definable.
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 Definable. The term definable refers to something that can be clearly and accurately described or defined. In other words, if something is definable, then it can be expressed in a clear and concise manner that accurately conveys its meaning. This can apply to many different areas of knowledge and fields of study, from mathematics and science to language and culture. Ultimately, being able to define something helps us to better understand and communicate about it, which can be valuable in a wide range of contexts.